guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another review video. So I will be reviewing the it's a very famous palette, a most hyped up palette, and also guys, there are very much mixed reviews. You will find ups and downs of the palette everywhere, and there will be positive reviews and will be negative reviews. So I will be reviewing this palette. I was eyeing this palette since a long time, and watching these reviews made me confused whether I should get it or shouldn't get it. So I thought, let's give it a try and see if this is a good palette or not, as said in the internet. So I thought to give this a try. So I'm talking about this Beauty Glazed Colourboard palette. This is how the palette looks like. This is how it looks like, and there are four pans in this palette. I won't say pan, but four palettes in a single palette again. So the name is Colourboard, as I said, and also it retails for somewhere around 1800 to 2000 in market. Also don't get it for Amazon. There are very much duplicate fake products there, because the MRP is 1800 to 2000, whereas Amazon sells it for 500. Now the main important point is people get confused if they see a palette ranging for 3000 4000 with this many eyeshadows, then they will think this is a good palette. But the same palette, if coated on a very low amount, they think it's a very cheap, or the pigments are not good, and so on. So yeah, I have tried and tested out this palette. You will find out my reviews by the end of this video, and I have also did this eye makeup using this entire palette only, and I haven't used any other palette. So guys, let's watch the video entirely to know my comments, my feedback, and my reviews. Also, to if you are not even interested in the palette, you can just go and watch the makeup tutorial, eye makeup tutorial for this video. So yeah, let's continue with the video. Okay, so guys, let's start with the eyeshadow now. Testing the eyeshadow palette. I have applied some eyebrow, I'm done with my eyebrows, and I've also applied some concealer and concealed my dark circles. I've prepared my eyelid very well to go on with the eyeshadow thing and all. I haven't planned anything as of what to do. I will just randomly pick some colors, and we will just test out the pigment and if there are any fallout or not. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so there's a dark purple shade. I'm thinking I will try that one. First I picked up this dark purple shade. It looks very pigmented. I don't know, you will see when I will apply. Yeah, it's pigmented. So once I'm done with the dark purple shade, I've deposited it nicely, and then I'm taking a very light purple shade to blend this one. So next I will take this dark blue shade. Blue shade का भी pigment काफी बढ़िया है. I'm loving the palette as of now, but we are yet to check out the pigments, the metallic shades and all of that. I'm taking a blue shade, lighter blue shade, to blend everything nicely. Next I've cleaned the inner eyelid with my concealer, because I've tried to apply the shimmer shades without cleaning this. The shimmer shades were very dull, so I have thought I will clean it and then I will give it a shot. First I will take this lighter blue shade. The shimmers are not that great, you guys. I thought the shimmers would be well pigmented, but they are not pigmented at all. I won't say at all, but you have to reapply and reapply and reapply to get the desired and proper metallic shimmer shades. I'm taking this dark pink purple shimmer shade, and I will apply it after 1/4 area. I think the palette is not that bad. Like, you have to work a little bit extra with the Shimmers, but after working for a while, I think they give a good result. For my lower lash line, I'm taking a dark green eyeshadow. Also guys, I have only tried the darker shades, mostly the darker shades. I've tried the little lighter shades, but the lightest shades I haven't tried, like the yellow, the lightest orange shades. So yeah, I'm not like giving any review about those shades because I haven't tried the yellow shade. I thought I will blend this green little bit with the yellow transition shade. Oh my god, the yellow shades are quite good. Yeah, even the yellow is so nice and well pigmented, you guys. Yeah, I think this looks good. I won't add any more color, वरना वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही गंदा दिखेगा. So I will go quickly and will do my entire face and the other eye as well, and I will be back to you guys to give my final words and my feedback. Let me show you the shades by the way now. Okay, also if you are a bridal makeup artist, you can get this as well. So this is the green Colourboard, then comes the red one, and then you will find the blue, and then last the purple shades. So I have swatched the shades as well, and they are quite pigmented. So I will swatch it again. Can you see the green shade? The colors are very nice down here for you guys. Also everything will be one swipe swatch videos, one swipe swatch thing. I hope you understand. Next, yellow. So if a palette is giving you enough of yellow pigment, then trust that palette. Shade, you guys. Vibrant orange. It's a kind of purplish pink color. So here you go. So I've swatched very few shades, and let me swatch some shimmers as well for you. So this is the shimmer. I hope you can see. I've swatched another one here. So guys, you have seen how the palette has performed on my eyes. I didn't like the shimmer shades a lot, as you can see. Even while I was swatching, the shimmers are not highly pigmented, also because these are one swipe swatch. If you go on and like swipe your finger a number of times and then you will slide it, you can definitely find the pigment. So I won't complain about it. Also I like the pressed glitters as well. The glitters are pressed glitters and not loose glitters. So even if you are a bridal makeup artist, or if you are eyeing to purchase a makeup palette for your personal use, this will be great palette because there are so many tones. Like you can get the summer vibes, the yellow, orange, sunset colors. You can also get the greenery colors, the greens and the metallic greens, the lemon green and all of that. You are also getting brown shades, the purple shades, pink shades. You're also getting ice blue and all of that. So it is a very great palette, and the only thing is that you have to be careful, because I was getting scared that I might break the palette because there are 4 palettes attached in a single board. So I'm talking about this, like when I'm like sliding this, it might get fall off. Like, can you see it gets fallen off? So I like to keep it in a table and then use it. So yeah, other than that, I think this is a very nice palette. For the, at least for the amount you are paying, it does justice and it is totally worth it. So yeah, I will definitely recommend you guys, if you are a beginner, even if you are a professional makeup artist, you can definitely go for this. I will also keep it for my bridal because there are so many colors to play with. I don't have to then carry so many eyeshadow palettes. One single eyeshadow palette and your work is almost done. So yeah, that was my review. I like the palette a lot and I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. 0.5 just because of the packaging, the because like it moves a lot, that's it. Otherwise, like, I totally loved it and I totally recommend it to you guys. Bye, I will see you in my next video. I hope you like this video. Take care, stay safe.